Hello everyone, Bob here again. Okay, as I promised from my previous video, I said I'm gonna use a multiple f's for multiple criteria. I've also included the and function. So this this exercise will be about uh, the employees getting appraised by their managers, and then what we're going to find out is the status, okay, of the appraisal. We have three criteria here that the condition should meet. The first one is failed between 1 to 49. The second criteria is average between 50 to 74. And the third and last one above average is 75 and above. Okay? So we're going to start doing our multiple F's. At this time, we're going to use 3 F's. Okay? Plus the one on function. Okay? So we'll start equal sign if, okay, so don't forget the open parenthesis, and we begin with having the first logical test, appraisal result less than 50. Okay, as the first criteria said between 1 to 49, therefore we can say less than 50. Okay, and the first criteria we can name this failed quotation mark. Okay, then comma again. Then we're gonna do another logical test using the F, okay, parenthesis, but this time around we're gonna include and. Why? Because we have to meet the second criteria that says uh, average is between 50 to 74. Okay, so the first logical test would be appraisal greater than or equal to 50. So in this case, we have satisfied the criteria of 50. Okay, but we have to see that the criteria will also satisfy the condition which is between 50 to 74. So therefore, we're gonna use right away, okay, we're gonna do another argument, which is the appraisal result less than 75. Okay, so we're gonna close that. So these arguments composed of two logical tests should be closed between two parentheses. Okay, then next one would be comma, and then we're gonna name this again. Okay, the name would be average. Average is between 50 to 74. Okay, comma. Okay, the third and last if that we're gonna use is if for the last criteria, the third and last criteria, which is above average. Okay, again, appraisal result, we can say greater than or equal to 75. Okay, and then name the criteria to above average. All right, then quote unquote average, above average. Okay, then we can use comma this time. Okay, okay, so we're gonna find out how many uh, close parentheses we're gonna put. So first one, okay, we're looking for bold black. Okay, second one, no. The third one is okay, bold black. Why? Because we have to have the same numbers of open parentheses with close parentheses. For the open parentheses, we have one here, second one here, third one here, and fourth one here. Okay, and for the close parentheses, we already have one here and three more here, so we got four open and 4 parentheses. So it's okay to enter now. Okay, so the result is above average because the score of the appraisal is 75. Okay, 75 belongs to the above average criteria. Okay, let's find out the others. Okay, the others are, you have 2 employees failed the appraisal because we have set the criteria of failed from 1 to 49. So the result of these 2 guys, 46 and 49. Okay, but the rest of the appraisals are good results, having good results. So we have 2 averages and 3 above averages. Okay, so we have satisfied our condition formula. Okay, and that's how we use the multiple f plus and function for multiple criteria. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, that's it for now. Until our next video, next time around. Thank you.